morning / good afternoon. Fine. So pretty much finished sorting everything out from the produce market, from the mall, and I'll just show you pretty much what I got. Okay, so here is the box of persimmons, and this one was $15. And I already sorted them out, so all of these are nice and firm. There's just a few of them that are getting soft, so I put them in the front right here, lined up. But all of these are nice and firm, so we still have enough time. This was from last night, the juice. So these are the ones that I managed to separate, because I don't know if you guys can see, they're nice and bruised and super like soft. Nice and soft. You just press on them. So all of these are ready to go. They're nice and split. That one, this one. So I'm gonna have this nice, beautiful, my first mono meal of persimmons. So we got that going on. Okay, so this is how it looks. Alright, so I'm gonna open it up. The boxes of pineapples all right here. So 16 pineapples for $14. And then I got my leafy greens here. Some of them here, and then my jackfruit beans. I'm gonna make the recipe soon. I have some more greens here. Greens there. Then we got the free papayas. All of these are the free papayas. Mary dates. Cocos that I bought. So we got that for the coconut milk and all that good stuff. And here's my green tunas. Right here. A little bit of the red ones, the last ones that didn't fit in its own compartment. So we got all the yellow green ones and then all the purple ones. Own compartment, so you choose them. So yeah, we got our tunas, papaya, cocoa, leafy greens, jackfruit bean, with protein, pineapples, my almonds for the almond milk, mole, rambutangs. I don't want to open this, I don't want it to fall. But yeah, there you go. So we got rambutangs, more rambutangs, whatever they're called, and then cocoa for the meat, coconut milk, and then some prickly pears. So that's pretty much what I have for this week or 2 weeks. See how long it lasts. But yeah, so that's the new produce haul, and I still have my traditional, my frozen stuff. So, yep. And then we got the box of dates here. Nice and gooey. Dates. And then another date box here, but these are almost done. They're like the last of them. Come on. Yeah, it just ain't just. One more smoothie. And then these are the papayas that I bought. They're nice and firm. So I have to, get to the other ones that are nice and ripe. Give these time to soften up. Yeah, but they're nice and firm. And then my persimmons, I have to sort this box out. And you guys can see, there's the smooshy ones, and then the ones that are kind of firm, kind of transparent, and these are not. Oh yeah, so I have to go through this one, and then these are ready to go. Make a smoothie. Like a nice big juicy smoothie. So this whole box was $15. There's papayas. I had one yesterday. put some lemon, some chili powder. And I ate it like that, 1 spoon. But yeah, so those were the softest ones. I went through all of them. But yeah, so this was $8. Yeah, so dehydrated chili. But yeah, that's pretty much what I have for this week. That is all of pineapple, tunas, papaya. This all compost stuff that I didn't get a chance to. Some of the free ones, tunas, they're too soft. Nothing goes to waste. All the compost. And I already gave away some free to my neighbors, two of my neighbors. So I gave. This is all compost right here. These are compost. I don't know about these. It might be compost. I have to wash all my dishes. They're all here. See, we already went through them. This whole box. These are not good. Bruise and all that. Back to the soil. We already went through this whole box. Yeah. These were top to the top. But you can't be sort of bad wet. Guess what? Back to the soil. Yep. And then this one here. These are good. So you see, I already gave some out. Smash it up, mix it, put back to the soil. So nothing goes to waste. There's no trash here. My mind is not trash. If it's trash, your mind is trash. Okay, go down. Okay, let's put the baby back. When I get back later on. Yep. Hope you guys liked the little tour. So I'm gonna enjoy my mono meal. I'm gonna chill, then I gotta go pick up some stuff from Craigslist for free. I'll keep you guys updated with that. Alright, so see you later, my peeps.